Karen, I look at the wonderful press release and they give us the guidance and all that. And buried in it is a headline. Let me bring it up here so I can actually read it. I love this. Focused on maintaining competitive, flexible cost structure. Michael Purvis in London says these corporations have a lot of wiggle room to take out costs if they underperform. Do you assume CAT will do that?
Yeah, I mean, CAT's been lowering production for a while, so they have been laying off people, and there is things they can do around the margin on costs, material costs, et cetera. Will probably be better because they're falling. But volume, it's a very volume-driven company.
Yeah,
and
it's right where I want to go. It's very unit-based. There's a price elasticity in that, but it's really, really volume unit. They mentioned inventories were all that ugly. Have you seen anything or a glimmer of the global message from Caterpillar, like we look at the domestic message of FedEx?
Yeah, I mean, across the board, they give us monthly dealer numbers, and across the board, it's been slowing.
Worldwide?
Yeah, worldwide, every region. Very negative in Asia Pacific, but North America's been the strongest, but that's been decelerating as well. Construction is worse than mining. Mining is still holding up, but with the global economy slowing, that's going to turn down too.
Karen, given the reaction that we're seeing in the shares falling 6.5%, that will be the biggest drop since January once the market gets fully going. How much of the bad news is actually in the price? This move would suggest not all of it.
Well, it's interesting because I think a lot of people anticipated a guidance cut, anticipated production cuts. Order of magnitude is larger than expected. You know, they missed by a fair amount in the quarter, but they cut the year a lot. And we only have one quarter left. So that suggests the fourth quarter is going to look a heck of a lot worse than people anticipated. A lot of these stocks so far in the earnings have gotten whacked very badly. And then, interestingly enough, they come back a lot during the day. So a 6% decline seems a lot given the expectations, but it was a pretty big fourth quarter cut. And we will get no color on 20, which is the other concern.